In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the picture transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add an image to a slide and dial in the perfect level of transparency so your text and design stand out. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to your Outlook account. On the left-hand side, open the app launcher and choose PowerPoint. This takes you straight into PowerPoint on the web. Create a new file by selecting Create Blank Presentation. You'll land on a fresh slide. Next, go to the Home tab, choose New Slide, and pick the blank layout. A clean canvas makes it easier to see your image and adjust it without distractions. Click once on the slide to make sure it's highlighted. This simply tells PowerPoint where to place whatever you insert next. Head up to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, and then select Stock Images. You can also use pictures from your device or OneDrive, but Stock Images is a quick way to grab high-quality visuals. Browse or search, select the image you want, and click Insert. The picture will drop onto your slide. Adjust the size and position of your image by dragging the corner handles. Use the corners to keep the proportions looking right, and move it into place wherever you want it to live behind or around your content. With the image selected, look along the top toolbar and open Format Picture. This will open the formatting panel on the right-hand side of your screen. If you don't see the panel, make sure the image is selected. Many options only appear when an object is active. In the right panel, find Picture Transparency. Click it to expand the controls, and you'll see a slider along with preset options. Drag the transparency slider until you get the look you want. Lower percentages keep the image bold and visible. Higher percentages fade it back so text becomes the hero. As a practical guide, around 20 to 40% adds a subtle wash, while 60 to 80% creates a very soft background. Watch how your text or other elements sit on top as you adjust, and aim for clear readability with a balanced, polished look. If you go too far, don't worry. Use undo or simply nudge the slider back. That's it. You've opened PowerPoint, added a blank slide, inserted a picture, and use Format Picture on the right-hand side to control picture transparency. Save your presentation and you're ready to present with a clean professional backdrop.